Did you know that fireworks were originally invented to celebrate Bonfire Night? It's amusing because half the thrill comes from trying not to set anything ablaze. Then there's Guy Fawkes himself. He never intended to be the face of the holiday. His plan was to blow up the House of Lords, but now everyone's sporting his face on masks. Talk about a PR disaster. And speaking of hats, Fawkes was caught wearing a rather large one when arrested. If only he'd chosen something smaller, he might have blended in better. Kids used to ask for a penny for the guy to fund their effigies, probably hoping no one noticed their less than stellar craftsmanship. November 5th isn't just Bonfire Night. It's also the anniversary of the failed gunpowder plot. So if your plans go awry, at least you're not Guy Fawkes. Remember the saying, remember the 5th of November? Just don't stand too close to the bonfire. Safety first, or you might end up with singed eyebrows.